Let me talk about the random sampling and the non-random sampling. Random sampling is when at random I decide as to which individuals or units I have to survey. There is nothing that I have pre-decided. It's that I just at random decide about it. For example, if there are 300 houses, I say I'm going to pick up every third house, 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on. So, whichever house I pick up is at random. So, there is an equal chance of the person or the unit or the individual having got to being interviewed, being surveyed, and equal chance of not being surveyed. The example of this can also be the lottery method, that is, I just pick up at random few names. Now, the best part about it is that everybody is at equal footing because we have not selected or left out anybody. That is the random sampling method. Now, here it could be that I say, okay, I am going to pick up every fourth house. So, it is be 4, 8, 12, 16. So, if I had decided this, it could be this. If I decided for 3, it could be this. So, every individual or a unit has the chance of getting surveyed or not getting surveyed. Now, I talk of the non-random sampling. As far as the non-random sampling is concerned, it's little complicated and biased because a person selects and decides which people, units or individuals is he going to survey. Now, this becomes biased maybe because I feel, okay, let me pick up the houses which are on the main road, because I would not like to go towards the houses which are at the back side. So, here what happens is I become biased in my attitude towards the sampling, towards the survey, and thus not everybody has an equal chance of getting surveyed. Not everybody is at an equal footing. The opportunity might come to you because you have an advantage, you have an edge over others. Then I talk of the exit polls. Exit polls generally are done before the election results. Now, election results, when they have to come out, before that the exit poll is done to find out which party is going to win and which is going to lose. And this again is a method of collecting data, collecting information from few hands, from few people, and thus making the information based on this, and thus they predict, they say that this political party is going to win, and that is called as the exit polls. That is the result before the real poll result comes out, the results which we feel will come out after the poll is called as the exit polls.